Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can place order on Shein application. So make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. You can also place order from the official website of Shein, but here I'm using the application of Shein. So it's very quite easy and simple to place an order on Shein. So to get started, what you can do is simply tap on the Shein application and then you'll be appear with the Shein homepage. Now here I'll just select a random product. For instance, I've selected this necklace. So what I'm gonna do is add this product to my cart and go ahead and tap on my cart. I'll just go and check my cart. So once I do that, you can see I have added 2 products on my cart. Now you can see the option checkout and 2 in the bracket. Tap on the checkout option. Now you'll have to add your shipping address and billing information. So simply fill up all the form or the location, your name, phone number and all the details that has been asked on the form. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and submit and your order will be placed on Shein. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. This is how easily it can be done. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to your channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.